Hey guys, I hope everyone's doing well today. I sure am. I got off work about a couple hours ago, so I am completely and utterly tired. But I have enough energy to do a video, and the reason why I want to do a video is because I re-dyed my hair blue, but as you can see here, I redid my roots, and I did a little bit too far on my roots, and I obviously didn't touch up the part that got bleached. So I got color oops, and with the color blue is one of the hardest colors to get out of your hair. Red, I would think, is secondary, then purple, and so on and so forth. But from my experience, blue is one of those more harder colors to get out because it fades into a greenish color and then eventually into the natural blonde. But it takes a long time. So with that being said, I want to see how well this works. I personally have used when it first originally came out, like maybe a few years after when it first came out. It didn't really work very well for me. It didn't really work well for my brother because my brother dyed his hair black and he wanted to remove it, and it turned to a really nasty tangerine orange color, and he never bleached his hair, so he didn't understand why it made it that color. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I'm gonna pop into a different shirt, and we're gonna see how well it works on blue hair. Now that I'm into a shirt that I really don't care if I ruin or not, because I am going to be dyeing my hair in another video with this, so keep a lookout for this video. I might do it the same day or I might do it tomorrow. I'm not totally sure. It just really depends on my mood. It depends on how long this video is going to take to get out to you guys. But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and start prepping for this and start doing the hair so we can see the end result. Alright guys, so it's been over 20 minutes honestly, and this is what it's looking like. I tied it to my hair. You can see that there's some blue on the actual bag. But I don't know. I really hope it can take out the color or most of it. Like I said, blue is one of the hardest colors to get out of your hair physically. And for this being in here longer than 20 minutes, I'm really hoping that it gets like 90 to 95% of it out. 100% would be dope, but I'm having low hopes because like I said the last time I used this type of like color oops removal stuff, it didn't go as planned. So let's just let's hope it works. I don't know if you can redo it. I'll look into it and see, and I'll redo it on like behind the scenes, that way it's not on the video and the video isn't longer than it needs to be. But we'll see, because it says it's safe and effective, so we'll see. All right guys, so this is the final product. My hair is still a little damp, but overall I'm pretty sure it's gonna look like this because this is the driest part of my hair right now. Like I said, I'm not surprised. I had a feeling that it wasn't gonna all come out, and my hope was 90% at least. And it only looks like 30 to 40% of it came out. And my main concern was that it wasn't gonna come out, and whenever I was washing my hair out, I saw a faint stream of blue. I would have thought I was gonna see a big amount of blue coming out of my hair to kind of prove the point that this was gonna work. So for me personally, it was a fail. I don't know if it's because of my hair type. I don't know if it's because of the color blue. I don't know if I really did anything wrong. I followed the instructions as it said. And overall, I mean, I kind of expected it, but I kind of just wanted to see because it said extra strength. It originally never said that before, so I was assuming that, you know, maybe it's a better product now. But obviously, as you can see, my statement stands as truth that blue is one of the more harder colors to really get out of your hair. So with that being said, I really appreciate you guys watching the video all the way through. If you did, don't forget to leave a like if this helped you, was informational for you, just in case if you have blue hair or some type of color that's harder to get out of your hair, and see if you wanted to use this product or not, to see if it would actually get it out. You can try it out. If it works for you, if it works, if it doesn't, this video was here to inform you to avoid spending $10 on your money when you can either, you know, try different remedies that are way cheaper than that could probably work a lot better than this. But anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.